Ready there?
Go for it.
Here we go. Okay, it's starting to make a fool out of us. Give him another shot of ether there. In the carburetor. Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Leave it. Hold it wide open, maybe, because it's got a little
Well,
too
that's
much.
actually carburetor cleaner.
Oh, that's yeah. Well, hold it wide
I don't
open.
think I have any.
Well, it's all right. Just hold it open. Let it draw on its own. Watch out, dog.
Yeah, you know what?
Just give it a shot, but don't choke it shut. All right. Try number 3. Ain't even trying.